Hi guys, good morning, good day sa inyong lahat. Magsimula na naman tayo ng ating work kasi wala pa yung mga alaga natin, nandoon pa sa school. So that's why, magpaster ako ngayon, malansya ang mga damit nila. Ito yung buhay ng OFW. Kailangan, kung wala pa yung mga alaga nyo, dalian yung mag-work. Yan, kasi pag dumating na sila guys, yun, napaka-busy ko na naman. So ngayon, simulan ko na ang pangalansa. And the hero comes along with the strength to carry on. And you cast your fears aside. And you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside to where it's true. Pantanggal stress. And you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. Yan guys, tanggal stress namin. Ano ba? Hirap dito. Naging OFW. Please guys, support my YouTube channel bilang OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Tata bless you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my little video.